In this video, we'll show how the lite-diff extension works with Claude Code, an extension for VS Code. Everything happens inside the editor. Let's make sure the necessary extensions are installed. First, JAI Diff Editor. Second, Claude Code for VS Code. And the key difference from Claude Desktop, Node.js is not required. Let's open the lite-diff panel through the command palette. Now let's start the MCP server. The server is running on port 6010, registered with Claude. The Explorer now shows service folders, Claude and lite-diff. The extension creates a settings local JSON file in the project. Claude Code picks it up automatically, no restart needed. Let's open the Claude Code panel. It's built right into VS Code, no separate application required. Let's check if lite-diff is available. Claude can see all the tools. They're organized by category: file discovery tools, state queries, hunks selection management, UI tools for VS Code, and the standard workflow. Preview, apply. Now let's test it. We'll ask Claude to add input validation to the functions in utils.js. We're asking Claude to read utils.js, add validation to 3 functions, create a preview, and open the diff. Claude read the file, built the patch, and is requesting permission to create a preview. We allow it. The preview is created, all 3 hunks with no errors. Claude also wants to open the diff view right in VS Code. We allow it. Claude opened the diff view. Claude provides a brief analysis of the changes for each function. Let's look at the diff in full screen. On the left, the original file, on the right, the proposed changes. Deleted lines are highlighted in red, added lines in green. Let's go back to the lite-diff panel. All 3 hunks are green, no errors. Let's demonstrate selective application. We deselect hunk h3, the format username validation. Let's say we want to leave this function unchanged. Hunk h3 is deselect. We can see its empty checkbox in the structure panel. The header shows, excluded 1, pending 2. The button changed from apply to preview, because after changing the selection, the preview needs to be recreated. This can be done through Claude. Ask it to read the changes and run a preview. But we can also do it manually. Let's do it manually. We click preview. No errors. 2 hunks are ready to apply, 1 is skipped. We can see, format username remains unchanged, just as we wanted. And is valid email and calculate age now have validation. Let's go back to the lite-diff panel. We click apply. Notice, the applied hunks have disappeared from the structure. Only hunk h3 remains, the one we skipped. It's still available. We can come back and apply it later. In the status bar we see, applied 2 hunks to 1 file. Let's open the utils.js file directly and look at the result. The format username function, unchanged. And is valid email and calculate age, with added parameter validation. That's it. Let's stop the MCP server.